Bumper removal, headlight assembly change, Lincoln MKT. This is a 2013, I think, and it's gonna work for MKZ and other stuff. If you're looking to change the headlight bulb, I'll show you that too. All right, we'll start off with the top of the bumper, right there, just the top. Open the hood, this is what it looks like. Get these little plastic screws in there. I don't think these are original. Probably had pop clips that just pop out. They're just plastic little clips that pop out. These ones you screw out the middle and then they pop out. Boom, 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 boom. Then you need a 5.5 millimeter, which is gonna be, what do you got there?
2 10s on either side.
Oh yeah, 2 10s in the top too, not just pop clips. You got a 5.5 millimeter to take off here, here, and here on both sides. You can see it right here. It goes into these metal, boom, boom, and was this a 5.5 as well, Jamie? On the top. All right, we're just missing the metal clip right here on this side. Don't worry about unplugging your fog lights until you get the bumper pretty much down. Right there, you just pull back on that clip, boom. And that's pretty much all there is to it to take the bumper off, because it's held in with these right here. The sides of the bumper clips in here, here, and here. You'll see it right here, these 2 tabs. And then you've got 2 tabs or 3 tabs here, 3 holes, and they correspond with the little grooves, and they just lock in. So this one did not want to come off for me. You got to use some force. So you're going to start with this bottom section and pull and pop it out. You got to use some force, but also be careful because it's plastic, right? This part did not want to come out right here. The chrome, there's one chrome piece right here that pops into there. It did not want to come out. I had to wiggle, jiggle, pry, and then what happened right there, there's the tab with the locking plastic piece right there. It fits right into here. It would not come out. So I had this bumper going like this, and I loosened the 10 millimeter bolt here so it would come out further. I zipped this off with my cordless ratchet, and then it brought the black piece out and allowed me to place surgery right here and pop this clip out without breaking it. You don't want to break this tab off, and because then it'll be all wiggly wobbly and not firm and looking good right here. So you want to be careful. So once you got these bolts out and you got that to pop loose, this popped loose a lot easier than this. Pop this loose and then try to get that clip to come out. The bumper literally just falls off if you've got, but then you got these here. So you should probably take those off first. Those are those 5.5 millimeter screws, boom, going all around there. And the bumper just comes right off. Uh-oh, Jamie, we're overfilling. Yeah, anyways, I got distracted. Once you get those clips out, don't worry about these. Once you get this clip to break free and this and all your bolts out, the bumper literally just falls off. You're done. Next, 10 millimeter bolt here, here, and here. See, it goes through your bracket into the headlight. Headlight just pulls off. Super easy. One wiring harness on the back. I already got this junkyard one reinstalled. Here's the old one that was broken right here. Your wiring harness is here. Pull down the clip, pulls out. These were very hard to take off. These very stiff, and this was already broke before I even got to it. So somebody had problems before. The way you keep these from being stiff, next time you got to change your headlight bulb, put a little bit of grease on this O-ring here, guys. And this just screws up, turn it to the left, bam. It was hurting my fingers trying to get this off. I got it to break free with my fingers, but it still wouldn't go the last little budge. So very gently tapped it with a flathead screwdriver on this tab, tap, 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 came off. Now to change the bulb. I probably wouldn't want to attempt changing this bulb without the headlight out. You got 2 T10 Torx right there and there. First thing you want to do is take a flathead screwdriver and just pop this wiring harness off. It just goes straight back. And then, so it looks like this, you got those 2 T10 Torx. When you take those off, the headlight comes out. And what those 2 Torx are connecting to is a half circle bracket that just locks in to this groove in the bulb. You just simply pull it off. It came off easy. Just pulls out, pop it into your new bulb the same way it was, and put it back down in there as an assembly, and use a magnetic T10 torque socket would be my best suggestion to start those bolts back in. Or you can, remember the brackets on with the little wings that are coming out, put the 2 bolts in very carefully and gently, and start your bolts. And that's how you do that. Plug your harness back in, boom. And reinstalling the bumper, it always helps to have 2 people. That way you can line everything up at once. Done them by myself, but always better to have 2 people.
Always.
That's how you do it. It's not that complicated. Once you do it once, you'll be like, oh, that's pretty easy. It might look like a lot to change a headlight bulb, but it's really, if you're cruising, you can get this bumper off in, I don't know, 10 minutes. As long as you don't have any trouble with those clips. I took a little extra time, just wanted to make sure I didn't want to break any plastic.